Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with this pour on a lovely gallery wrapped canvas. I'm just showing you that I have taped the bottom and put the push pins in and I am ready to paint. So I'm doing a voiceover on this one because it was so noisy, life going on around me. I just couldn't hear myself think really. So I thought while I'm nice and quiet now, I can talk you guys through it. So I was just contemplating a different composition on this particular piece. So I'm going to split the colours as you see here and just try a little bit different composition. That particular colour I'm working with there is called Tahiti, but I still added some white to tone it even further down. So it's kind of like a nice peppermint, very light pepperminty colour, but I'm very much enjoying the colours. And the next one is my dark sea with a good dash of my that colour that I absolutely, well, the paint that I'm loving adding to mostly my dark colours, and that's the Pearl Mist from Global. So that's really lovely to add some really nice sparkling effects to your paint. So hence that one. I will let you watch away and I will jump in when I feel I need to. So just sit back with a cup of tea or a cup of coffee or whatever is your brew and enjoy. Just going in that centerpiece with a good squirt of just the ordinary white paint, the same pouring medium as the rest of it's got in it. Not worried about keeping it all white in the center. I was having in mind that I would do some bling in the center, but I've changed my mind about that and I'm going to continue on with the colours that I'm going to layer. So again, that's my dark deep sea, my deep sea sparkle, and I'll just lay the colours that I want on that diagonal, and that's cool red. I'll just layer them and I will explain as I go along. The colour that I added there was called Sketch Paper, and I'm really liking that colour actually instead of white in things. And now it is my orange, which I always put a good dash of yellow in my orange to bolster the colour. So that was just some more white, and now I've got my mini blower, which I absolutely love. It's just it's called a Baby Bayless, and I got it from a charity shop. So I have found another miniature dryer that I am going to test in a pour this week. So please join me and we'll see. I might do a whole video on testing out different dryers, because they really do make a difference when you're trying to do the Dutch pour. So as you see, this one just blows out lovely. Yeah, because the Dutch pour, this blowout thing was, oh, I could not get it right. But then once I did, it's, you know, I think it's using the dryer that, you know, the blow dryer that was correct for me, that worked, that helped me work it all out. So I hope to help you guys if any of you are having trouble with it, just like I was. So these colours blowing out, I'm doing them in a layered effect, which I've been doing instead of just blowing all the colours the same way, or I'm trying to create depth and effect by doing layers in the blowout, which I just find is, I just really enjoy and see so much more in the painting and so much depth, and loving it. So I hope you are too. So we'll see how we go with this one. So at this point, I'm not happy with all of that blue area. So as you see, I'm coming back in now with some cool red. I just want to put a bit more colour into that area, and that cool red with that dark sea colour is absolutely lovely. And so adding a bit of that, it's called sketch paper, and that'll hopefully look, it'll fix that corner up in my eye. So I'll see what you guys think, just blowing it out again. But have fun with this, especially the blowing. You don't have to do it all the same as you see anyone else do it, or as I do it. Do it any which way but loose, like just go for it, because, you know, in the end it is only paint, and you can get some absolutely awesome effects in your paint. So at this point in time, I am just going to clean up my edges and go around, and that'll be it from me, and hope that you enjoyed this bit of a crazy wacky pour. So until tomorrow, bye for now.